Clear Brown, North Dallas. Getting ready to do a quick video for a client that would like to see the actual scratch test. So they're online quite a bit, but let's put one here. I didn't realize I didn't have one, but what I'm gonna do is use a wire brush. And this hood on this Honda Type R is already PPF'd. It's been applied the coating, and like always, as you can see, it's hard to tell it's here because we wrap all those edges around and corners, and we took off the scoop to wrap inside, and then the scoop will go back on top, and there's how it goes. But let's scratch it up real quick. So we'll come right in this area here, and let's see how we just crank on this, and we're not being soft. So there it is. I'm sure you guys can see that. And what we're gonna do is simulate the heat from the sun, or maybe a hair dryer or a heat gun on low, is we're gonna put some hot water on it from like a coffee pot. Let me get a good angle. I'm just gonna dump that over that. Okay. And then I'm gonna wipe that off so you guys can see. This is Xpel Ultimate Plus, and you can see how well it self-heals. Hold on, let me get all this here. Okay, so let's get up close there. And there it is. Everything self-heals. So there you go, Xpel Ultimate Plus. One of the thickest, well, the thickest film in the market. That's the Ultimate Plus 8mm. And I gotta tell you, if you're looking for a self-healing film, you don't wax it. Self-heals on scratching, swirl marks, scuffing. Obviously blocks a lot of impacts from road debris and other things that fly at it, and just a fantastic product. That paint under this car that's getting wrapped, much like this car, and much like this C8 over here that's getting wrapped, it's pretty much done, full wrap. That paint, when it's sealed like that, this car has 20 miles on it, that's the way that paint's gonna look in 10 plus years. As long as you properly take care of it and it's not that hard, your car's gonna look fantastic for many years to come. So there you go, Clear Brown, North Dallas, with an example of a scratch test on the Xpel Ultimate Plus paint protection film with a wire brush, and just using a little hot water to get those scratches to heal up. Appreciate you guys watching. ClearBrownNorthDallas.com. Thanks.